Hey Ofra fam, I'm Victoria Lynn and I'm so excited to be sharing this stay at home everyday makeup tutorial using all Ofra cosmetics. Everything I have on my face is from Ofra and I am in love with this look. It's so easy to do, I promise. When you try it, it's a very minimal product and it's something you can wear every single day during this time that we are all spending a lot of time at home. So if you're quarantined with bae, if you're quarantined with your family and you just wanna feel and look a little bit more confident and you wanna feel good and take a little bit of that stress off you, this is the look that you can try and wear every single day. Because we're being more cautious about what we do and the safety of others, I think that it's really important as well to be kind to yourself and take that time and make sure that you are healthy and you are strong in your body and in your mind and in how you feel. And sometimes makeup really does affect the way that you feel and it can make you feel so much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you like this look so far. And if you do, then you might as well just hit the like button right now. I'm gonna be doing some skincare with you and also this bronzy look. So if you wanna see how I achieved it, then just keep on watching. Before we get into the makeup look, I'm gonna be using a new product from Ofra, and this is their hand sanitizer. I know that hand sanitizer is so hard to come by, so I think it's really awesome that they came out with a few new wellness products that I'm gonna share with you guys, but this is the hand sanitizer, and it says our hand sanitizer complies with CDC guidelines as it contains over 60% alcohol and cooling aloe vera, so this is really nice to like pop in your purse. This is a small one, and they also have a larger size on their website, and this is the 8 fluid ounce. So you can see the size difference here. And these hand sanitizers are just completely wiped out everywhere at every grocery store. So I think it's super nice that we have one now from Ofra. And remember you guys, keep sanitizing your hands throughout the day. Also, new product from Ofra is the wellness set. So it has a few little goodies in it that you can keep on hand. And what I really like about it is it has a hand cream. I don't know about you guys, but my hands have been so dry. I've been washing them like crazy. So this is super nice to also use in conjunction with the hand sanitizer. I am going crazy with the hand cream, and this is a nourishing and protecting hand cream. And it just says apply a generous amount and massage into hands. For best daily use several times a day. Some other products you get in the wellness set, you get the Cleanse It Off wipes. You also get a hand sanitizer and you get a brush cleaner and disinfectant spray. This feels super hydrating and moisturizing. It's definitely a thicker hand cream. My hands have been so dry and crepey, so this feels amazing. It feels like heaven. I feel like a part of quarantine has really implemented more self-care into our lives. It's pretty crazy how much self-care we're all doing lately. And I know myself personally, I love masking before I do my makeup or in the morning when I wake up, just to like wake up my skin. And right now it's morning and I love doing a morning mask. So I'm gonna be using the Revitalizing Clay Mask. This is a new mask from Ofra. Clay masks always really brighten my skin. And I notice after I use them, my skin just looks so much more clean and bright and even. This is actually made with Dead Sea minerals, and it says that it balances oiliness in the skin and it purifies your skin. It's gonna bring your complexion back to life. It protects the skin from environmental stressors and improves the appearance of wrinkles. If you're experiencing dryness, this mask is a one-hit wonder. By mixing botanical extracts, skin will be soothed and calmed. I absolutely love masking, and like I said, I've been doing it a ton lately, and something about just applying it like evenly and just the process of self-care brings so much peace and relaxation. I feel like during this time, it's so essential for you guys to just try this. Even if you can just get your mind off everything going on for 10 minutes, it helps you so much. And I think after this period of time comes to hopefully an end, I think a lot of us will start incorporating like self-care into our weekly routines and just taking care of ourselves more and treating ourselves. This mask is super smooth. As I'm applying it, it just feels like butter on my skin. It's really hydrating. It doesn't feel like it's a drying clay mask. I know a lot of clay masks can feel like super tight on your skin, like it's just sucking all the life out of your face, but this feels really soft and buttery. I have this top on to make myself feel a little bit put together and dressed, but I am wearing sweats, and I have been wearing sweats for the last 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks. If you're rocking the sweats right now, I do not judge you. Get comfy and just relax, do a mask. We're gonna do some makeup too today, which I'm really excited about. I feel like I wanna do like a bronzy glam eye look, something that's really easy to create that you could do for like an everyday look. The mask feels really soothing on my skin. It's not like tingling, it's not burning. It feels really nice and calming on my skin. And we're gonna leave it on for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it off with some lukewarm water. I'm gonna start the eye look by priming my eyes, and this is gonna make the shadows stay all day long. And they're also gonna be so much more vibrant when you use a primer. And I'm gonna be using the eye gel primer from Ofra. And I naturally have really dry eyelids, so I like the consistency of this primer. It's nice and thin. And when you apply it, it's transparent, so it doesn't have any color or anything like that. It just blends really nicely on top of your eyelid and evens everything out without adding any color. So moving on to shadow, I'm actually gonna use a bronzer to start, and I'm gonna be using the Samantha March Bronzer Duo in the shade River. And I really like this bronzer because it's actually a split pan, so on one side you have more of like a matte formula and the other side's a bit shimmer. So I'm actually gonna mix them together and then apply this into my crease. What I love so much about doing bronzer in the crease and using it as an eyeshadow is later on when I use this bronzer as my actual bronzer, it just makes everything go together so well. So I'm just swirling this color right into the crease and doing just these really small and soft circles all the way out. And because I like to do my base last, I usually just kind of bring this out a little bit and then I clean it up later with like concealer and all that. So it's okay to kind of bring it out. I'm super excited about this palette. This is the new Glitch 2000s palette. So it's kind of like a throwback nostalgia vibe, which I love. I love the 2000s like makeup, like the metallics, the really frosty eyes. I'm obsessed with it. So we're gonna be using a peach in here. You have so many beautiful colors to play with, but we're gonna pick up this one right here. And I'm just gonna use my finger to apply it because I feel like that's the easiest way and you get the most payoff when you use your finger. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the lid right on the center. And this shade was called As If. I'm gonna pick up this creamy shade up here, and this is called Bling, and it really is bling. Like when you put this on the inner corner, it really opens up your eye. So I'm just gonna place it right on the inner corner of the eye, and then I'm gonna apply it on the brow bone too, and this just really like lifts everything up, and it makes you look so much more awake when you apply a lighter shadow just right in the inner corners. So now I'm gonna add a few coats of mascara to my lashes, and I'm gonna use the HD Volumizing Mascara from Ofra. I really like this wand. It's nice and long, so you can really get in there and grab your lashes with it. And I'm just gonna do a few coats to make my lashes darker and just kind of bring them out more. I have really short eyelashes, so I definitely need mascara. I also feel like mascara really helps false lashes blend so much better with your natural lashes. So now I'm gonna put on just some really natural false lashes that aren't too long, aren't too thick, but just really open up the eyes and accentuate the way the eyeshadow looks. Now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna do a really light base of makeup, just super tinted and like not much going on there, more like a tinted moisturizer type vibe. And then I'm gonna fill in my brows as well, and I'll be right back. Got the brows on, got the foundation, concealer, powder, all that jazz on. And now we are ready for bronzer. Bronzer is probably my favorite step in makeup. This makes me feel the most like alive and just like there she is, one type of bronzer on. So I'm gonna be using the Samantha March Bronzer Duo in River. This is the same shade that I used on my eyes. I'm gonna use it all around my face. So what I like to do is I just mix both of these shades together because it is a split pan. And then I'm gonna start right at the front of my ear. And the first thing I do is I lay down all this color first. So I go on the forehead, right here on the cheekbone. And once I have that color laid down, that's when I go in and start actually blending it. And I love going right on the bridge of the nose. It kind of gives you that sun-kissed look. And I also like to go right underneath the chin because it kind of gives a little bit of a shadow and makes you look a little more chiseled and bronze. And then I bring it down my neck just for like an all over tan. I definitely need a tan right now, so I'm going in with this bronzer. For blush, I'm gonna use the Samantha March Blush Duo in Chicklet, and this is such a pretty blush. It's another split pan, so I'm just gonna mix both of the shades together. And I'm gonna tap off my brush because it is super pigmented. And I love this color because it's really natural. Like, it's not a pink, but it's not a peach. It's like the natural color of what your cheeks do when you're blushing. I like to place this right at the top of the cheeks and then just push the color back into the bronzer just to blend it all together. Every time I put this blush on, I realize how much I love it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna jump back into the bronzer and pick up both of those shades and apply it to the lower lash line. I love doing a bit of like a smokiness, even for like an everyday look. I feel like it just brings your eyes out so much more when you add a little bit of shadow to the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna blend this in and smoke it out a little bit, just like a really light smokiness. I usually always do lower lash mascara, so I'm gonna apply a few coats to my lower lashes. I actually did a 60s look that you guys will probably see using all Ofra. And I use this mascara, and I was gonna do false lashes on the bottom, but you don't even need it because you can separate your lashes so well with this mascara. I mean, look at the difference. It's insane. Now it's time to glow up. We're gonna add some highlight, and I'm using the Samantha March highlighter, and it's called Start Inspired. I love that there's like a pink and then like a champagne, so I'm actually just gonna mix them all up. This Samantha March collection with Ofra Cosmetics is beautiful. As you can tell, I love it. It's so nice. All the colors really complement me, and like they're things I would wear every single day, so I love these products. They're awesome. Samantha, Ofra, you killed it. Amazing. So I'm gonna go in with this right on the tops of the cheeks, and look, oh wow, okay, hello. This highlighter is so pretty. So I just like to keep it right at the top of the cheekbone, and I bring it back. I wear my hair up a lot, so I like to bring my highlighter all the way back. So I just bring it right back and then circle it into the temple area. So when you turn, it's like, boom. Look at that highlight. I'm gonna apply it to the bridge of the nose. Always do a little bit of the chin, get that sweaty look. And then I go right on the center of the forehead. So now I'm gonna do one of my personal favorite lip combos from Ofra. I love doing a liquid lipstick and a gloss. And I'm gonna be using the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Bel Air. This is probably my favorite nude from Ofra because it goes with just about everything, and it's like a warm, brownie kind of nude, and I love this color. And over the top of it, I like to put the Rodeo Drive gloss. Now, Rodeo Drive highlighter is everything. That is my all-time favorite highlighter from Ofra. So the fact that it comes in a gloss, it just makes everything so much better. So I love these two paired together. It's like the perfect nude lip. These glosses smell so yummy. I don't know if it's like fruit or candy, but they smell amazing, and I want to eat them every time I put this on. And last but not least, we're going to be using the makeup fixer. And what I love so much about using the makeup fixer is when you're done with your makeup and you have all your powder, your bronzer, your blush, your highlight, you have a lot of layers of powder sitting on your skin. And when you go in with the product like this, it helps break down all of those layers of powder and make it look more like skin. So if you haven't tried the makeup fixer, definitely check it out. It smells incredible, and it just makes you look so much more glowy and dewy at the end of your makeup look while also prolonging your makeup. And it just feels really refreshing too. So I'm gonna go in with a couple spritzes of this. I like to pretty much bathe in it, so. All right, you guys, here is the final look using all Ofra Cosmetics. This is my stay at home, everyday makeup look, and I am in love with it. It's so easy to create, so I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this tutorial. And I know during this time it can be really stressful and things are very different now, but makeup is such a creative outlet for so many people, and doing your makeup can make you feel so much better, and it's just super fun. And I hope you guys take this time to play with your makeup and try new things, and maybe try this look. If you do, be sure to tag me, and be sure you tag Ofra and follow us here at Ofra's YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button, like this video if you did enjoy the video, and if you want to see more of me, be sure you follow me here on YouTube at Victoria Lynn, and also on Instagram at Victoria Lynn. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.